Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fly, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Iron Man Mark 25 armor, also known as the Striker or Thumper. Thank you very much Laruanan for sending this figure for unboxing, review, and customization. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng Iron Man Mark 25, pumunta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook or Shopee. So yung first step na gagawin natin, mag-a-apply tayo ng primer para kumapit yung paints na i-apply natin. Number 1-in-1 flat clear. And after that, matte na yung finish niya and pwede na tayo mag-apply ng paints. Okay, next step, we are going to use Hero Paints Steel na metallic paint, and we are going to use a dry brushing technique para makapag-add tayo ng extra layer of weathering, highlights, and ma-emphasize yung sculpt details niya. Next step, we are going to use Hero Paints Black Acrylic para naman sa weathering ulit, dun naman sa mga yellow parts. Gumagamit ako dito ng sponge para magkaroon ng maliliit na speckles or dots dun sa yellow na parts niya, yung parang jackhammer arms. Next step, cobalt blue naman yung gagamitin natin. Shoutout to Hero Paints. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Since hindi siya LED, gagawin natin dito, mag-paint na lang tayo ng light effect. So, cobalt blue muna. So, ito yung darkest color. Yan, darkest color yan. Tapos, yung sunod na color na gagamitin natin, yung coral blue and then white. So yun mga ma'am sir, tapos na tayo sa ating Iron Man Mark 25 custom repaint. Again, thank you very much Laruanan for sponsoring this video. And siya yung nagpapadala sa atin ng mga Iron Man toys for unboxing, review, and customization. Makikita nyo to mga ma'am sir sa Green Hills, sa Mother Base and Wizard. And shout out to them. Shout out din kay Laruanan. Super thank you for providing 6 armors kasama si Batman, Funjoy, 5 Iron Man armors and 1 Batman. So yun yung dumating ngayon, and thank you very much sa mga padala ng mga Iron Man kasi sobrang angas ng mga ZD Toys talaga. Thank you very much din ZD Toys for this. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.